Sound chambers around the world are as different from one another as people. Each one is unique. Each one is an expression of its place, its people, its circumstances. What they all share and have in common is that each sound chamber has a heart and a soul. Each sound chamber is a song. Each one is alive. You hike down this steep path in a very remote area of Austria to arrive at the wilderness home of the caretaker of the first sound chamber built in Europe.
Yeah, the main thing for me, of course, was beautiful painted arrow. He became a friend.
There was a community that came together and built a sound chamber here. And while the community has disbanded and everyone has moved on, it was a real surprise to find that the heart of this sound chamber has now become even more vibrantly alive and pulsing with energy than when a community formed around it.
And he said, that's the sound chamber of the East.
Mm-hmm.
And maybe the sound chamber, even when it looks like very, very deep sleeping, looks by itself. So that was a good impression. That's what I like.
Yeah.
And so I realized that's how everybody of us works. Just be present, that's all.
It looks wild, and it is. Its community is now wild kiwis, brambles and vines and brush. The wind tones sacred prayers through the wide-open doorway. Its beauty gathers starry nights and sunny days. And without attracting any attention, it generates peace. It has become ancient, wise, and its heart is wild.
The stove is a person for somebody who builds this typical Indian
It's beautiful.
stoves.
Look
It's
at its
nice.
shape.
Really nice. You can eat here.
Wow.
The sound here is magnificent.
Yeah. We tried also, you see, we have only, when we build it here and the plaster, put the plaster on top, after a while we realized, no, we don't do this wall and then this wall because there is only one wall.
The sound in here, in this sound chamber of the East, is phenomenal, deep and rich and warm. And this place has still a very, very, very active energy present. It's like a ancient sacred cave. We're not separate from nature. The wild song of this place informs us that we too will emerge deeper, wiser, more respectful, inclusive, and loving from our experience of life, no matter what it looks like to others.
Important, maybe the most important thing, let's try, maybe a new foundation. And the basement is peace. Peace. Shanti. Yeah, maybe the good slogan from all the real ancient languages in the world. Slogan for all the peace chambers. Thank you, beautiful David.
You're a real one. Thanks.
Hey, hello, hey, yo, hey,